How many students already come in the place?
Sir.
At first, should I speak English all the time?
What, sir?
How many students already sitting in the room?
In this room, class. 13.
13.
Yes.
I want to know how many students already to be an English teacher.
19.
19. 19 already to be an English teacher.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah. I want to introduce myself for the first year. Listen,
Yes, sir.
because of Mr. Ramdhani this afternoon have another assignment, so I have to teach you in speaking, yeah. In speaking, my name Sadirin Santoso. Listen, please. My name Sadirin Santoso.
Sadirin Santoso.
Yeah, Sadirin Santoso. Yeah, of course. Maybe you can.
Are you Japanese, sir?
Sadirin Santoso. Yeah.
Are you Japanese?
Sadirin.
Yes.
And then Santoso. Easy to understand. Because of this is material for speaking, that I want to give you a rule how to get a good score if you are joined in the speaking examination. Can you listen my voice clearly?
Yes, sir. Really clear.
That's good. I also can understand your voice. So, a moment, just arrange the line.
Bersambung. Mati lampu jangan. Disconnect.
Terrible ya, masalah.
Jangan mati lampu. Mati lampu, Pak.
Sananya yang mati lampu. Something wrong.
Oh gitu pantas. Oh gitu.
Jalurnya jalur
Tersambung. Ya.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yeah, because terrible of the line, maybe we have stopped for the moment. But now can be continued. Are you okay?
Continue, sir. Okay.
Yeah. I want to know how many students already in your room.
14.
Pardon me, 14?
14, sir.
14?
Yeah.
How
Yeah,
many?
14.
How many men and how many women?
There are 2 men, and 12 women.
Just 2 men. So the candidate of English teacher in your area environment are almost women, yeah.
Yes, of course, sir.
Yeah, I believe that you are still young and then you have a good goal to be an English teacher next time, yeah.
I hope so.
Okay, listen for a moment, please, yeah. You are going to prepare about to join in the UMPIP, yeah. UMPIP, do you know UMPIP?
Yeah.
In
Yes.
speaking. So in this case that you have to concentrate how to listen and how to respond the lesson. My voice mean that if you want to be able to speak English well, yeah, one of the requirements you have to practice daily. It is very important for you all. Remember that if you want to able to speak English well, that you have to practice daily with your close friend, with your friend. And then because of it is in processing how to make better your pronunciation, your intonation and your fluency, also your structure, that don't be afraid in practicing foreign language like English. Don't be afraid making mistake. You are enough, not necessary to write, to listen and try to understand. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
I believe that if you already always practice in English, step by step your ability in speaking will improve. Agree?
Agree.
And then how to give score in speaking, you have to know. Can you name how many points that if someone?
What, sir?
How
Can
many?
you repeat?
How many requirement if someone want to get a good score in speaking? Do you know?
I don't know.
You don't know. In giving score of speaking, the first, your pronunciation should be good. Pronunciation. And then, do you know pronunciation?
Yes.
Ucapan. And then, yeah, and then the second, your intonation, nada.
Intonasi, nada.
And then the third, your fluency.
Referensi.
Fluency mean lancar, smoothly.
Lancar.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, fluency should. It is also necessary. And then your synthesis building, or mean structure. You have to arrange. You have to arrange the word in a good structure.
Sentence.
And maybe the last, you have enough vocabulary.
Yeah.
If you are not enough vocabulary, mean that not able
You know the
to
meaning.
practice fluency. So I want you to know how the technique if you are going to join speaking examination. usually already done here in Cijantung area. Yeah. Have you ever come to Cijantung or not yet?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Next time maybe if you have time to meet with Cijantung.
I hope so.
No time. No time, yeah.
Next time.
The first, I want to give an example. For example, that if you are going to join in the examination in speaking, then
Yeah.
you will receive the title of speaking. Judul, ya.
Then,
The title of
Yeah.
speaking. For example, I want to give you one of the title of speaking.
what is that?
For example, the benefit of visiting library.
The benefit
Of
of
visiting library. Do you know the meaning?
speaking. Yeah.
What is that in Indonesia?
Keuntungan mengunjungi perpustakaan.
Yeah. And then the examiner give the question to the student. Explain me the benefit of the visiting library. And then the student should be practice speaking in explanation the benefit of visiting library.
Yeah.
For example, I want to give you an example that the benefit of visiting library. I want to give a little bit resume, yeah. If someone has a reading habit, coming to library is very equal. By visiting library, we can read many kind of books. And if someone or one student come to library, also able to read what they want to understand, what they want to know. And also enlarge, maybe you might talk any other benefit of library. If someone or student make the schedule coming to library continually, the knowledge will be improved also continually, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah. That only one of an example, the benefit of visiting library to improve their knowledge by reading book. And by reading book, someone able to improve their knowledge because of we know that by reading book, the knowledge will be open. Many other things what we wanted. But now I want you try to speak like my opinion maybe, or if you are able to enlarge your speaking. Do you want to repeat talking about the benefit of visiting library?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to know, and I'll try to give your score. Just in an example, yeah. Your pronunciation, your intonation, your fluency, your vocabulary, and your structure. Please try to speak, and then after you maybe will change to another students. Would you please try to speak the benefit of visiting library? Repeat, yeah.
To choose our right hand, sir.
No, I'm only speaking without any writing.
No, I mean, sir, choose VR for give an example of the benefit of visiting library, or one by one, or just we write our hand.
Yeah, maybe if you are not able to speak directly, you might prepare in writing in the main idea first. How many sentences you are prepared and then able to produce your speaking by using your voice. What's your name?
I am sir.
Yeah.
My name is Eka Saryanti.
Eka Handayani?
Eka Saryanti.
Eka Saryanti. Okay, it doesn't.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you'll try to speak. I want to know a little bit your ability in speaking. Do not afraid making mistake. Please try.
The benefit of visiting library is the student can add their knowledge because they always read a book and then they know many kind of books that make they are more smart than the others.
Another word?
What, sir?
Another sentence? Another idea? Yeah, maybe you may discuss with your friend.
I think that's all, sir.
No. Like for example, if by reading book, we want to get many things, yeah. Because you know that in library there are keeping many type of books, right? Can you listen my voice?
Yes, sir.
Another student might be to change, to speak. Another student to change. Try to speak with me. Can my voice?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Who are you?
Muhammad Nur Syahid.
Muhammad Nur Said. Are you an English teacher or not yet?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Still studying. I believe that you are still young, so be sure that English
Yeah.
to be your major next time. Don't be lazy to practice speaking.
Inshallah.
Yeah, don't be lazy.
Yeah, inshallah, sir.
Just know we have already given to you all about the benefit of visiting library, but now I want to change another title. How to improve education in Indonesia. It is my title. How to improve.
How to education in Indonesia.
Yeah. It is
Okay.
a title. Would you please to prepare? Even only few sentences. But try in
Okay.
speaking. Yeah, try in speaking, not in writing.
Yeah. How to improve education in Indonesia? Actually, we must prepare ourselves. First,
Go on, please.
and then we must prepare ourselves to education.
Mhm. For example, you have to divide and maybe 3 big item.
Okay.
If you want to improve education in your environment, in your area, that you have to, one of them is to make the student spirit to study. As an English teacher or as a teacher, you have to know how to make spirit the student to improve their ability, especially in speaking English, ya. Giving spirit, how to improve the ability of speaking. And then the quality of the teacher also have to improve to be a good teacher, to be a good English teacher. And then the infrastructure, the room should be enough comfortable to teaching learning process. Terrible maybe. Gangguan lagi. Halo? Kasihan. Berarti kondisi listrik di sana